extracted music from a BioWare game like Neverwinter Nights, and got BMU files. These contain the game's atmospheric soundtracks in a special format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play BioWare Music Unit files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value BMU file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. BMU files are BioWare Music Unit files, containing background music and audio from BioWare games, like Neverwinter Nights and similar titles. They store music tracks in a modified MP3 format, with custom headers for the game engine's audio system and streaming requirements. BMU files are essentially MP3 audio files, with a BioWare-specific 4-byte header replacing the standard MP3 frame header. The audio data uses standard MP3 encoding, making the format easily convertible to playable MP3 by replacing the header bytes with proper MP3 sync markers. Essential file access for BMU relies upon the utility Baldur's Gate from BioWare. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows enables quick previews, but comprehensive editing requires digital audio workstations. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the BMU file and choose Open With. If you have Baldur's Gate available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. When your BMU file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The highly specific nature of the BMU file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, renaming to MP3. Make a copy of the BMU file and rename the extension to .mp3. Some media players, including VLC, will play the file directly with the renamed extension despite the slightly modified header. Test playback with VLC Media Player, which handles many non-standard MP3 variants. Next, converting with Hex Editor. Open the BMU file in HXD or another Hex Editor and replace the first 4 bytes with the standard MP3 sync header bytes, FFFB. Save the modified file with .mp3 extension, and it becomes a fully standard MP3 file playable in any media player or audio software. Finally, using BioWare tools. Use community-developed BioWare modding tools like NWN Explorer or similar utilities that natively understand BMU format. These tools extract and convert BMU files to standard formats automatically, while exploring game assets enabling music extraction for personal listening or modding projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.